Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Stuck in Loops Crochets. In this tutorial we will learn how to crochet this bow clip. You can customize this in any color of your choice or use it in any other project. This is a quick and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using 3-ply acrylic yarn in pink and white color for this project. 3 mm crochet hook, scissor, hot glue stick. You can also use any glue or you can also attach the project by sewing. So let's get started. We will start by making slip knot. For that, take your yarn, wrap it around your finger like this. It will form a cross. This is our first loop, this is our second loop. So insert your hook through the first loop, pull the second loop, let go of your fingers, pull. Our slip knot is ready. Now we will start to chain. For that, yarn over, pull through this first loop. This is our chain 1. Again yarn over. We have 2 loops in our hook. Pull through the first loop. 2. Again yarn over, pull through. This is 3. Yarn over, pull through 4. Yarn over, pull through 5. We have made 5 chains. We have to make 120 chains in total. So yarn over, pull through 6, yarn over, pull through 7, yarn over, pull through 8, yarn over, pull through 9, yarn over, pull through 10. Now we will keep making chains until we reach chain 120. I will meet you at the end of chain 120. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. We have made 120 chain in total. This is about 22 inches long. You can also decrease or increase the length as you wish. Now we will start with single crochet. First we have to make one more chain, which means we have made 120 chain plus one chain extra. Total we have 121 chain. Now we will start with single crochet. For that, skip the first chain. This is our first chain. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip this. Insert your hook in the second chain. Yarn over. Pull through the loop. We have 2 loops in our hook. Again yarn over. Pull through both the loops. This is our first single crochet. We will make 120 single crochet in total. So insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Again insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull. We have 2 loops in our hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now we will keep making single crochet in every stitch. So I will meet you at the end of the stitch. We are almost at the end, so keep making single crochet. Now make last single crochet in the first chain. We have finished making single crochet. Now chain 1, yarn over, pull through, cut off the extra yarn. Now we will weave in the ends. Insert your hook in this space. Pull this yarn. Now tie knots. Cut off the excess yarn. Now take your white yarn, make a slip knot, pull through. Now chain 100. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We have done making 100 chains. Now chain one more and pull up a loop, cut off the extra yarn. Again, we don't want this much of extra strand, so cut off the strand. Now we will start assembling our bow. For that, cut off a long tail of yarn. Now let's assemble the bow. make it across, take this part, fold it like this, adjust it a bit, also add this, take your yarn, tie a knot, our bow is secure now, but I will wrap it more times for more detailing. Wrap this bow. I think this is enough. So I will tie a knot, then cut off the extra yarn. One knot, two, three, four. Now cut off this extra yarn. Our bow is ready. Now we will attach the clip with the bow. For that, I am using hot glue. You can also sew this project directly to the clip. This glue is optional. We are done making our bow clip. You can customize this into a bagcharm or use it in any other crochet projects. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye, happy crocheting.